2, 3, do it!
Alright guys, so in the last video we left off on checking the cam, see if it's still good, all the loops are good. I took it out, cam looks good, so now I guess it is the lifter that's bad. So I'm gonna take out the intake, take this head first out, and then I'm gonna take the header out because I got the V-van, so I'm able to pull it out instead of just push it to the side. So I'm gonna take the header out, this head first, because I know that the lifter takes on this side. So I'm gonna take it out, check the lifter, see if it's anything weird, and then I guess take the other side out.
Oh, summer. It sounds good right now after what we just experienced, doesn't it? Grilling out, lawns being mowed, and pools opening. These are some of the things we expect with summer.
You know what? I'm gonna take the alternator out first, just to make it easy. If it works, right? Alright, now the intake manifold is ready to come out. Jeez. Finally. Now just put the harness to the back. Inches out. I guess there's some of them. Ah, I see you. Why are you hiding? Alright, I already disconnected the V-van, so the header's loose. I just gotta take out all the bolts and then pull it out. Whoa, that one was loose. Oh, that's not good. There you go. Now they're tight. Well, not really. I don't think this header bolts were tight. I guess we'll be able to see if it was leaking through the head gasket. Not really. Yeah, right there maybe. It didn't sound like I had any exhaust leak though. I wonder if I can pull it up to the top. I really doubt it, but it's worth trying. And I can already see it's not going to happen. Yeah. Whoa, whoa. Sounds like a chicken. I think I can just leave it like that. That way I don't just take it out for nothing and then put it back in. That's enough room to take out the head bolts. Alright, y'all ready, guys? I'm gonna get inside the engine bay. Just so I can grab the header better. There she is. I don't see anything wrong. Yeah, see that? See how this one is and this one is darker than this too? Wonder why. Same on the piston. They're a lot different. These two are a lot different than those two. I'm not sure why. Alright guys, I got the heads off. Or it's just the driver's side head off. The valves look good. Nothing out normal. Now, next thing I'm gonna do is take out the lifters and then inspect them, see if I see anything weird. Alright guys, so it's the next day. I got both of the heads loose. I just got them on right now, that way nothing got in the lifter alleys or anything, any trash or like that. So while the lifters sit in oil for a day, I'm just gonna clean everything up, clean the heads, clean the valve covers, timing cover, and then once I'm done cleaning all that, probably tomorrow I'll put the lifters in and then start reassembling everything back together. So I'll probably end this video up right now. So thank you guys for watching.